Nasal aspirators help clear mucus quickly, making breathing easier and soothing discomfort. Two popular options are the Grownsy electric aspirator and the NoseFrida manual aspirator, each with its own advantages. Knowing how each one performs can help you choose the right tool for your baby's needs. The Grownsy nasal aspirator is an electric suction device powered by a small motor. It pulls mucus out of your baby's nose at the push of a button and usually offers adjustable suction levels, so you can choose gentle or stronger suction, depending on the amount of congestion. It also often includes fun features like lights and sounds to distract a fussy baby during use. On the other hand, the NoseFrida is a manual aspirator that works using mouth suction. A long tube connects the nose piece to a mouthpiece, and you gently suck to remove mucus. This gives you full control over the suction power, which some parents like, but it requires you to put in the effort. Electric aspirators like Grownsy usually provide consistent and reliable suction with different power settings. This makes them especially useful if your baby has thick or stubborn mucus, since the motor can maintain strength without tiring. NoseFrida depends entirely on how hard you suck with your mouth. While manual suction gives you immediate feedback and direct control, it can vary in strength from one person to another, and some parents find it harder to remove thick mucus effectively. However, many still find it effective for mild to moderate congestion. The Grownsy electric aspirator typically uses a collection cup and removable silicone tips that you rinse with warm soapy water. There are no mouthpieces, so there is no chance of a parent coming into contact with mucus. The NoseFrida aspirator uses a mouthpiece and tube system with filters that catch mucus before it reaches the parent's mouth. These disposable filters are designed to prevent cross-contamination, and the device parts are often dishwasher safe. However, you will need to replace filters regularly for hygiene and best performance. The NoseFrida is compact, lightweight, and does not need batteries or charging, so it is easy to keep in a diaper bag or travel kit. It needs two hands, one to hold the baby and one to control the tube, which can be tricky with a fussy baby. The Grownsy electric aspirator is slightly larger and needs charging, but some models can last for weeks on a single charge. It is easy to use with one hand, letting you clear mucus while holding a wriggly baby. Electric aspirators like Grownsy are great for powerful, hands-free suction, while manual options like NoseFrida offer simple, portable control. Choosing the right nasal aspirator depends on your baby's needs and your comfort level.